Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? All right, welcome to this platform. This is Sichamba Jacob, and I'm pretty sure each and everybody is doing fine. So look at this. We've got what we are calling BiPAT method. And please note that this is video number 1 or lesson number 1 on BiPAT method. So let's start with the basic. When are you supposed to use BiPAT method? So BiPAT method can work out when you've been given an integrand like this one, or you're asked to integrate such kind of integrals. So there's this one, this one, this one of this nature. In other words, you are expected to use what we call BiPAT method. And the formula for BiPAT method looks like this, what you're able to see here. That is the integral of u dv is equal to u v minus the integral of v du. So this is the formula. Keep on moving with me. You will understand more and more. Now look at this. Let's understand about the formula. I know, or I don't want you to memorize. I want you to understand how this formula came about. Can you see what we have here? This is product rule. When finding the derivative of the product of two different functions, you use what we call product rule. And this is the formula for product rule. This formula is where the formula for BiPAT method comes from. Now, how does it come about? Look at this. When you've been given two different functions and they want you to find the derivative, we use this product formula. So basically what you do to come up with this formula, you just cross multiply. We've got d u v is equal to, here when you multiply this by this by this, you are getting a u v prime dx plus vu prime dx. You just multiply throughout by dx. So this will be multiplied by this to give us this by this to give us that. Okay, I hope you're following. And now from this point, you introduce the integral. Okay, so here this will go. When we integrate, we shall remain with u v is equal to, here the integral of u v prime dx plus the integral of v u prime dx. Okay, I want you to follow nicely and see how this formula came about. So from this point, you shall say u v is equal to, for this one, since there is v here, we shall write it as the integral of u dv plus, here there is u which has got a prime, here it's v which had the prime, and here it's u which is being differentiated. So we shall say the integral of v du, like that. And from this point, we can group. So we shall make this the subject, meaning the integral of v du will come this side. That will be minus the integral of v du, which is equal to the integral of u dv. Okay, I hope you're following. So you can see this is like this. We can write this as the integral of u dv is equal to u v minus the integral of v du. So this is how the formula came about. So it's driven from the product rule. And you can see the formula we have here is what we have right here. So please note that I just wanted you to understand, I'm not integrating this. I wanted you to understand how the formula came about. And after this, please watch the next video where I'll show you how to use this formula integrating this form of integrals. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.